Hey guys, so today is Saturday. It's June 22, Saturday, and I'm gonna do a PR unboxing because I received a email from Duval, I think. Yeah, Duval Brands, which is Tina. I think she's like the owner of the brand. I received a mail, I think it was like last week or something like that. She reached out to me, yeah, June 13, which is last week, Thursday. So she reached out to me and she said she wanna send me stuff, and I'm just like, yeah girl, yeah. So she said, anyway, so I said yes, and then anyway, so I got the package last night, no, yet 2 days ago, which is not 2 days ago, but 21st, which is yesterday. Yeah, last night. And then I received the package, and then I'm really excited because some of you guys asked like my skincare routine and stuff like that, and I actually want to try something new. But anyway, I got this package yesterday, like I said, and this is the Radiance skincare system, water resistant, and it's from Duval Cosmetics. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Duval, but that's the name right there. And this is the like I said, it's a skincare system. And before I even make a whole other video dedicating with this one, I want to try it for like at least over a week or two, and just kind of like record like the whole process, and you know, like, and like what's my thoughts about it, because I just don't want to like I know it's not even like sponsored, you know. She just wanted me to send and, you know, try this out and put it out there. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is like try this bad boy for like a week or two, and then let's see if there's any you know, new to my skin and stuff like that. I remember I bought like the same one like this. It's from, I forgot the name of it, but like literally the same ones like this, and I've been using that ever since. But anyway, let's not talk about that, let's talk about this. So I believe this is 100, hold on. So this is the, yeah, it's not 100, but it's $95. But with my discount code, I think after I make the video, I will, like, you know, put like the discount code, because I think she's gonna give you guys, like, for my subscribers, 70% off, and that's really good. So anyway, this is the Radiant Skincare System, and then it has, let's just take it out of the box because I've been talking so much. Ooh girl, so that's that. And then let's take this bad boy out. Oh, okay, it comes with this paper, skincare system right there, like what's the use of it and everything. So we have a body brush, which is, this brush is for like all over the body. This one right here, it's really soft, so that's the brush right there. Oh my god, it's so soft, because I hate when the brush is like pinching me and it's hurt when like I'm doing it. But yeah, this is really soft. Okay, so we have that body brush, and we have the base unit, which is, oh my god, this is so cute. That's the base unit right there. Pull it, and then it says right there, open. You just pull it right there, and then there's like the print and the brand in the back. And I believe you put, I don't know if there's 2 or 4 batteries inside right here. So yeah, that's how it works. And then I believe this is on and off. I mean, this is on right here, and then this is off right here. So this is the base unit. So we have the exfoliation and cleansing brush. These two look very similar, but just looking at it in person, you can actually tell which one is the exfoliation and which one is the cleansing brush. But yeah, this is the brushes right there. So what you do is, you know, if you want to exfoliate your skin or like cleanse it, you take this brush and then just pop it right off, and there you have it. And if you're done with cleansing or exfoliating, you can pop that. And then if you want to use the body brush, same thing, you just like, and then it'll spin for you. Since I don't have a battery yet, I will probably go and get some batteries so I can use this as soon as possible. And what's the nice thing about this is they have this pumice stone, which is for, I believe, for your foot. So yeah, this one right here, this bad boy right here. So that's that. Sorry guys, the camera, well, not the camera, but my memory card was full, so I had to change new memory card. But anyways, like I said, I literally just got done doing my makeup. Like I said, my friend Crystal is coming here to visit me, so I'm really excited to see her finally, because I haven't seen her for like a while now. And anyways, oh, I'm gonna be I think I'm gonna wear a dress today because it's really hot, and I was planning to wear some shorts and like sleeveless or stuff like that, but I can't because I don't have a denim shorts anymore. I don't know, I think I gave it to my sister, or like the balikbayan box. But yeah, so yeah, I'm currently still in the middle of cleaning my studio room so I can, you know, head out and get ready. I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna just like straighten my hair. I mean, my hair is straight, I just want to like to flat iron it more. But yeah, anyways, that's that. And then thank you so much, Gina, for sending me this stuff. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. But anyways, let's see.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, update. We Crystal canceled because she's going to the hospital. She hurt her knees. So anyway, it's it's not 2 o'clock, it's almost 4 o'clock. Well, yeah, 4 o'clock now. We are going to my sister-in-law, and I think we're doing like a barbecue. So dressed like this. This is top from Marshall's, I believe, and then just a short. But yeah, and then I'm gonna bring this bag with me. It's like a bucket bag, it's really cute. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put some lip tint, I think, or lipstick, and then yeah.
A few inches later.
Try her, don't you try her. That's what she's gonna do if you try her. Yeah. They're so hard. So we're trying to put this we'll try to do this like garlic open. Okay, show it to them. Come on, focus. Oh my god, you got it, hon. That is so cool. Thank you, Twitter. We're cooking dinner, and Francis is still crying. We finally did the garlic. Yes. So what is this? Is this a condensed? Okay. It's for the brownie, right? Ooh.
How did you do it?
We're eating outside. The dinner is outside. Family dinner. Last family dinner. I'm crying. They're gonna leave me. But yes, doing the candles. Oh, that's nice over there. Dinner's ready. It's so nice. Waiting on dinner. She got her. She got her. I'm keeping this forever.
It's going to be.
It's going to be, but it is. Oh my goodness! With wine, we have wine.
Oh my gosh! My grandma talks about making these things all the time. Are you serious?
Hey, yay, yay, yay! That's all we do. Hey, hey, hey!
Get your friend. Thing is out. My face. She's right there. She's like, hello. Hello. Hair, but does somebody want to pull the stems off these? I don't care. I I like the texture.
You're so crispy.
I actually like when the skin's and really dirty.
Oh,
That's what dirty.
fresh out of the ground.
Like if you have like a little dirt in there, it just brings
Well, I can do that. How about some sand? That
Right.
That would look better.
Right.
In the dirt. Some ashes. Yeah.
Look at her.
Ashes.
That's flavor too. That's smoky
Why didn't you
flavor.
guys get a fire started in this thing out there?
Ooh, yeah, there's some fire. Okay, so do we?
I never had
wood?
There's some wood right out there.
Ooh, she's hitting good. Alright, but okay, I'm gonna be here in the dark. Ooh, Emily.
I fucking got that.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I'm gonna
Oh yeah, pass it to Leia.
hit this dog.
Oh. You guys are so silly. Alright, I'm gonna hit it. Shit. I'm gonna hit it. For all yeah bitches, toxic bitches out there, you need Jesus. This is my sage. But yes, you need Jesus and amen, hallelujah. Ah! Ooh.
Oh shit.
Yum.
Check it out. Dang, no.
Oh, that was freaking.
I'll say it in a minute.
Perfect.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Do you want to?
Here, take that one, guys. It's hot.
Yeah. We can.
Oh, right there.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Yes. Marry me.
Oh, it's so crispy.
Actually, a minute shorter.
Yum. And you put it in the basket. I mean, who are you? Is she a cook? Is she a chef? Or is she a baker? Oh, she a baker. Hey guys, so I'm finally home. Well, me and my husband is finally home. I'm just gonna give you like a rundown because I think this vlog and this video footage is like literally everywhere, and you might question me like what is going on. But anyway, before we even go to the girl's house, which is Francis' house, to see them, is we drove to my sister-in-law's house and we had a barbecue. Not barbecue, like burgers, and then we visited them over there. And then I went to because we were just using one car. My husband was driving my car, so I'm just like, you know what, because he's after we eat, he was like, they were looking for like houses. So yeah, after that I went to Mary Frances' house and then like Uber, and then after that we were, you know, the girls and I were, they were cooking some lasagna, eggplant lasagna, which is so good. And after that we ate, and my husband came around 9 something, and you know, I even forgot to vlog. But yeah, Emily's mom and dad were there, and they were like so cute. They're from Brazil. And then yeah, we ate, and then we just like had like a nice dinner. My husband is already full because, like I said, they were having my sister-in-law were having like hamburgers, and me too as well. I ate like a big hamburger, so I was kind of full already. But then I also ate another one with like the lasagna, but I couldn't finish it because I was just so full, and I was snacking as well. So anyway, for this minute, so I got the package. I ordered, oh my god, some lashes at this Miss A. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna do a haul, quick haul before I even haul. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick haul from Miss A. I love this brand because this is where I normally buy my lashes. So let's just do a haul. Paper, I don't know, I forgot what I ordered. So okay, they wrap it up with this one, bubble wrap. That's really good to kind of like secure everything. I like it that way. Ooh, that's so many lashes, you guys. You guys, I am a fan of their premium lashes, and they're so good. Like, I can wear these lashes, and if you like gently clean them, like for at least 6 times. Like, I'm not even kidding. So I'm just restocking on my lashes. I have Brianna, Elydia, Vanessa, and Melissa. So oh my god, it's a faux mink lashes. So I think I'm wearing Brianna. But yeah, this is from Brianna, and then yeah, this is the lashes. I love dramatic lashes. And then this one is Melissa. It's kind of like a more natural lish. So I ordered 2 on each. Yeah, I also have Shelby right here. That's Shelby. And then Elydia is my favorite. I'm sorry, I have Elydia right now. So this is how Elydia looks like, not Brianna. But yeah, and then yeah, I have Elydia, not Brianna, because this is Brianna. Yeah, so Melissa, like I said, right there. Oh my god, I don't know how many I have. Okay, oh, Jean as well. I have 2 Jean right there. Oh my god, this, you can never have too many lashes, guys. So I ordered these pins because I think they're in now. So I ordered this Bobby pins, I think that's what you call it, but it's like silver, there's golden, there's black for like $1. I know. And I also order a carrot mask. Yeah, everyday, yeah, mask, carrot veggie mask. So that's what it looks like. And then, oh my god, clips. Oh, look at those clips. Let's see. they're so cute, and they're just like $1. I think a set. So that's that. And then I also have, of course, I think there's this new. This is the AOA waterproof hypoallergenic. Oh, a brush on super strip lash adhesive. So I got that as well. And then last but not the least is a brush. I needed more brush. But yeah, this is, oh my god, I'm gonna leave the link, like the shop Miss A, all the ones that I got for them. I'm gonna leave it down below. But oh, this was good. This is it. The brushes, let's see, let's try one. Oh my god, it's so cute, and it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh my god, I was thinking that it was like a rough, but they're so soft. What? And they come with like this one. So it's like if you're traveling, if you like traveling, this is really good. What? Oh my god, they're so cute. But yeah, that is that, you guys. I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.